a traditional Ayurvedic serum infused with precious herbs and saffron to deeply nourish skin, enhance natural radiance, and reveal a healthy golden glow. Radiant Kumkumadi Serum, formulated to brighten dull skin, improve texture, and promote an even skin tone while keeping skin soft, smooth, and youthful. A pure herbal blend that works gently to reduce pigmentation, boost skin clarity, and restore natural luminosity. Enriched with time-tested Ayurvedic ingredients to revive tired skin, lock in moisture, and deliver a long-lasting glow. Rooted in ancient Ayurveda, this serum helps repair, rejuvenate, and protect skin for a visibly brighter and healthier appearance. Timeless Glow Kumkumadi Serum, a luxurious daily serum designed to slow visible signs of aging while enhancing skin's natural glow and softness.